Welcome. Clinical radiation generators. Which of the following machines have largely replaced kilovoltage, Van de Graaff and cobalt-60 units in modern radiotherapy? What is the typical frequency of microwaves used to energize a medical linear accelerator, LINAC? Which of the following is not a major component of a linear accelerator? The treatment head of a linear accelerator is primarily shielded by which material? What is the function of the flattening filter in an X-ray mode of a linear accelerator? Which component spreads the electron beam and makes it more uniform in cross-section in electron mode? Which part of the treatment head provides a fixed maximum aperture for the X-ray beam? The movable jaws in a linear accelerator's treatment head are known as. The charges collected in monitor chambers of a LINAC are used to. Which device is used to collimate the electron beam close to the patient's surface, approximately 5 cm away, in electron mode? The main difference between a microtron and a linear accelerator lies in. Geometric penumbra is mainly affected by. Transmission penumbra mainly results from. Which of the following best defines physical penumbra? Neutron beams are mainly generated using which method? Production of proton and heavy particle beams involves. The term Bragg peak is best associated with. Which of the following is true regarding negative pions in tissue? The width of geometric penumbra increases with. Which device in the LINAC avoids reflected microwaves from the waveguide reaching the power source? What is the maximum voltage that can typically be produced by a Van de Graaff generator used clinically? which gas is commonly used for insulation in Van de Graaff generators. What is the main application of cyclotrons in clinical radiation therapy? A microtron combines the principles of which two devices? The limitation in achieving higher energy in a cyclotron is mainly due to one of the main advantages of microtron over a linear accelerator of comparable energy is the major challenge for using T generators for neutron therapy is in the electron therapy mode of a betatron, the beam current is the principle of operation of a betatron is based on the primary function of multi-leaf collimators, MLCs, is ICRU Report 62 recommends adding an internal margin, IM, to CTV to create electron contamination in photon beams arises from for a source diameter of 2 centimeters, SSD equals sine 80 cm, SDD equals sine 40 cm, and depth equals sine 10 cm, geometric penumbra width is which of the following produces a more pronounced Bragg peak dose distribution?